TRENDnet's rugged 4-port DVI KVM switch, model TK-422DVK, allows you to share an HD DVI monitor with 4 PC or Mac computers. Installation is easy with all required cabling included. Simply connect your console, mouse, keyboard, headset or microphone, and speakers, and HD DVI monitor. Then connect your computers with the included cabling, and you're done! This KVM switch supports beyond HD resolution of up to 2560 by 1600 pixels. There are 2 handy USB share ports on the front to share flash drive or storage drive content. There is a convenient toggle switch on the front face, and it comes in a tough metal enclosure. Manage up to 4 computers with 1 HD DVI monitor and set of console controls with TRENDnet's TK-422DVK.